Good afternoon, everybody from Nairobi. Welcome to our EGM Securities update. Today, we're going to look at the euro dollar, which trades, I think, 1/4 of all the FX in the global markets, and the global markets trade over $5 trillion a day. So you're talking about the most liquid. The most liquid instrument within the most liquid universe. So
yes. It's the most traded pair.
Yeah.
The Euro USD.
I read somewhere 25%.
Yeah, 25%. Just to mention, today we have a Japanese national holiday.
Yeah.
It's respect for the H Day.
They are very old, the Japanese. Yeah, there's a big problem.
Yeah, so they have a holiday
they have
today.
A day for that.
So you might expect some low volatility in the Asian session. I know we are past that, and also maybe in the USD JPY.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then what you're saying is, if you're trading this currency, you better know what is going to move the markets.
Yes.
And that is found here on your economic calendar.
Yes. So today on the limelight we have the Euro USD, mostly because tomorrow Draghi is talking, and so we kind of want to see today what's happening. So today we have CPI data, the consumer price index. So it's going to govern a lot what is going to happen today. So we have. Pride speaks today. So he's an ECB executive board member. So the speech may contain indications of potential, monetary policy future, and what they have in terms of raising interest rates and all that. So, and also we also have I can't pronounce the name right, but I think it's Musk also speaking, another executive board member. So these are the times here, here and here we are speaking, and then here we have the Musk speaking and also Pride is speaking, and then later. Tomorrow, that is, if I just scroll down here.
There you go. And Draghi moves the markets.
Exactly.
I mean,
then
what's
Draghi
been
is speaking.
incredible is how much he does move it.
Yeah. So what is going to happen today is that you're going to measure the tone of the two speakers today, Pride, and then now anticipate for Draghi's speech, depending on what the CPI is. Because what the CPI does is it's a year-on-year CPI. So it gauges, from the consumer side of things, how are they taking, cost of living and things like that. And then it's going to affect inflation, and then Draghi is going to speak on it and see if they can lower the interest rate. Because remember, the interest rates are quite low.
Very low.
I think it's at
negative
0.
In some cases.
Yeah, some cases are negative, so they're going to see if that is going to affect.
Yeah.
And also remember, you have the Italian thing going on, the Populist Party,
yes.
and the default for the budget. So that is also going to affect the news. So that's the Euro USD. And before I forget, by the way, because they are paired, it's the euro against the dollar.
Yes.
So you can't ignore the dollar, obviously.
Of course.
So obviously, we had Trump said he's going to obviously follow through with his 200 billion. What do you call it?
Tariffs.
Tariff on China. So we have that, and then China said they're not going to negotiate with the gun on their face, obviously, as you'd expect.
Yes.
And also remember that Chinese stocks have actually fallen to a 4-year low again, if I can also retaliate on that.
Yes.
So that is what we are observing in the market.
So we're seeing a bout of dollar strength again, which is bringing the euro down a little bit.
But I'm still very bullish on the euro.
You are?
Yeah, I'm bullish on the euro. Yeah.
On the basis, on the
basis of Brexit thing, we might have a soft Brexit, and don't think this match that is affecting the euro in terms of negatively apart from the Italian thing, which they're going to resolve. And also I think the dollar inside the trade war, like I said, we don't know what is going to happen, right? People may have enough of that. And
so overall, if you were looking at this 116.49, you think that the trade to put on is to look to be long?
Yes, I would look to be long.
And where would you be aiming for?
So this is
a very long term.
This is a very long term. Yes. So it's very long term. So maybe I'd come to the 4 hour. So I think I would place my support at this price there. Sorry, let me just. So that is where I would place the support line there. Just that.
Okay.
And then I would at any hint of Draghi having a positive market outlook in terms of the European economy, which I think he might, then I would look to go long on the euro. I still think there's a lot of room to go in terms of bullish euro spend. Yeah.
Thank you, Lawrence.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.